Subscribe. Add 4 tablespoons coriander seeds. Add 20 red chilies. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Now roast it for 2 minutes. Stir it. Now take it out. Add black pepper, cloves, carom seeds, ajoin. Roast it for 2 minutes. Now take it out. Add salt, chaat masala, black salt. Now blend it. Dahibhalay masala is ready. Add bundiyan. Bring it to boil. Take it out. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Add a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Add half cup water. Mix it well. Add boiled bundiyan. Mix it well. Rest it for 30 minutes. Dahibhalay masala to taste. Ready. Subscribe. Hope you like it. Ingredients for chaat masala. Ingredients for Meethay Dahi Baray.